bone pain, fatigue and dizziness after 40, fix nutrient deficiencies. Feeling exhausted all the time, struggling with bone pain and random dizzy spells? If you're over 40, these might not just be signs of aging, they could be hidden nutrient deficiencies, silently draining your health. The good news? You can fix them fast. Stay with me as we uncover the critical nutrients your body is missing and how to restore your energy, strengthen your bones, and eliminate dizziness before it's too late. Welcome to Elders Companions. If you're over 40 and looking for ways to stay healthy, active, and informed, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an important topic: bone pain, fatigue, and dizziness after 40. These symptoms could be warning signs of hidden nutrient deficiencies, but don't worry, we've got the solutions for you. Make sure to watch till the end and subscribe to Elders Companions for more essential health tips to keep you feeling your best every day. Across the world, millions of people over 40 struggle with unexplained fatigue, weak bones, and dizzy spells. Often, these symptoms are dismissed as stress, lack of sleep, or just getting older, but doctors and nutritionists are warning that they could indicate a deeper problem: your body isn't getting the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. And if left unchecked, these deficiencies can weaken your immune system, speed up aging, and put you at risk for chronic diseases like osteoporosis and heart problems. Let's start with bone pain. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, but when bone pain becomes a daily struggle, it's often a sign of vitamin D or calcium deficiency. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, helps your body absorb calcium, which is critical for maintaining strong bones. Without enough of it, your bones become brittle, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Studies have shown that people over 40 often experience low vitamin D levels because they spend more time indoors and wear more protective clothing when they do go outside. Additionally, calcium intake tends to decrease with age, leading to weakened bones and joint pain. But there's something even more surprising: magnesium. While most people associate bone health with calcium, magnesium plays a crucial role in bone density and strength. A deficiency in magnesium can cause bone pain, muscle cramps, and even contribute to stress and anxiety. It works alongside calcium to keep your bones healthy, yet most people don't get enough of it from their diet. This is particularly concerning for individuals over 40, as the body's ability to absorb magnesium declines with age. Now, let's talk about fatigue. If you feel drained all the time, even after a full night's sleep, it's time to look at your diet. One of the most common causes of chronic fatigue is an iron deficiency. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, your blood can't deliver oxygen efficiently, making you feel constantly exhausted. Women over 40 are especially at risk due to hormonal changes, and for some, heavy menstrual cycles leading up to menopause. But iron isn't the only culprit. B vitamins, particularly B12, play a massive role in energy production. A lack of vitamin B12 can lead to extreme tiredness, memory problems, and even mood swings. Unfortunately, as we age, our stomach produces less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, the risk is even higher, as B12 is primarily found in animal products. And then there's dizziness, one of the most overlooked symptoms of nutrient deficiencies. If you frequently experience dizziness or feel lightheaded when standing up, your body might be low in electrolytes like potassium and sodium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance, while sodium ensures proper nerve and muscle function. An imbalance in these minerals can cause dehydration and sudden drops in blood pressure, leading to dizziness. Another key factor is blood sugar levels. Chromium and magnesium deficiencies can cause unstable blood sugar, leading to dizziness, irritability, and brain fog. These nutrients help insulin function properly, ensuring your cells get the energy they need. Without them, blood sugar fluctuations can make you feel weak and dizzy throughout the day. So, what's the solution? The first step is to identify which nutrients you're missing. A simple blood test can reveal deficiencies in vitamin D, E, calcium, magnesium, iron, B12, and other essential minerals. But beyond medical tests, your body often gives you clues. Persistent fatigue, weak bones, and dizziness are signs you shouldn't ignore. The next step is adjusting your diet. If you're not getting enough vitamin D, spending 15–30 minutes in the sun daily can help. However, in colder months or if you have darker skin, supplementation may be necessary. Foods like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products are also excellent sources. For stronger bones, increasing your intake of calcium and magnesium is crucial. Dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are great natural sources. If you're not consuming enough from food, supplements can help fill the gap. If fatigue is your main concern, iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, and lentils can boost energy levels. Pairing iron with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits helps improve absorption. For vitamin B12, consider eating more eggs, dairy, and fish. If you're vegetarian or vegan, a B12 supplement might be necessary to avoid deficiency. To prevent dizziness, maintaining a balanced intake of electrolytes is key. Potassium-rich foods like bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes can help regulate fluid balance. Drinking enough water and consuming natural sources of sodium, such as pickles or broth, can also stabilize blood pressure. One more important factor to consider is gut health. Even if you're eating the right foods, poor gut health can prevent proper nutrient absorption. Probiotics, found in yogurt, fermented foods, and supplements, can improve digestion and ensure your body gets the most out of the nutrients you consume. But here's something shocking: many people over 40 experience these deficiencies even with a healthy diet. Why? Because of stress, medications, and lifestyle factors. Chronic stress depletes magnesium levels, making it harder for your body to absorb calcium and vitamin D. Certain medications, like antacids and some blood pressure drugs, interfere with nutrient absorption. And unhealthy habits, such as excessive caffeine or alcohol intake, can further strip your body of essential vitamins and minerals. This is why it's not just about eating the right foods, it's about making lifestyle changes that support nutrient absorption. Getting enough sleep, managing stress through meditation or exercise, and cutting back on processed foods can make a huge difference.